Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess. It's been a minute since I've shot inside. It's a stormy day. Since the pandemic, I've become a minimalist. A little bit. The days of me carrying around all of this are about to disappear. You see all this junk in here, right? So I would stick this in my purse. I thought I needed all of this. Truthfully, in today's time period, my phone batteries are lasting longer. I have a watch that lasts 2 weeks. I'm about to go from all of this to just this. Let's get started. Shout out to Jay Will. He did a video on these. These are Clutch, the world's thinnest chargers. Clutch is the size of a credit card, slightly thicker, right? I got a pink one, of course, for my girly moments. This one will work with my iPhone because you know I carry 2 to 3 phones at a time. Presentation's awesome on these, by the way. In black, I have the USB Type-C, and that's gonna be for my Android devices. I'm not a big time YouTuber. I'm small out here in these YouTube streets, so I paid for both of these. I do have a discount code for y'all for 20% off. Use the code FAM20 because y'all my fam. You get 20% off. You got your card with contact information in each one of these. If you're not happy, you need to contact somebody. They give you all the information to hit them up on the social medias, on the website, or via email. I am trying to add a little juice to these. They've been en route to me, so they're not fully charged. I unboxed them for you and you see it's about halfway charged. Same goes for the USB Type-C. This is 3,000 milliamps. Of course, if your phone has a battery that's larger than 3,000 milliamps, it's not going to charge it all the way, but it's going to get you to a point to where you can get to where you're going and be just fine. I also wanted to see, I'm not going to dox myself here, if it actually did fit in one of my credit card slots in my wallet. Oh yeah, by the way, yes, shout out to Grogu. I'll slide that in. So there you are. It fits in my wallet with my cards. And it closes up just fine. Now I'll have chargers right in my wallet without having to carry a whole nother dongle bag. We're definitely talking thicker than any card you might have in your wallet. I'm just shocked it actually fits in that slot. So let's try one of these out right quick. Pink one, that's for the iPhone. Stick that right down in here in the bottom. And it's charging. Now I don't know how fast it might charge, but again, it's gonna juice my phone to where if you're coming off of a dead phone or a drastically low phone, this is going to come in clutch. Next up, we have our Androids, or our foldables. Stick this right in the Huawei Mate XS, and that's giving you a nice charge here. It's not a supercharger or anything. It's not giving you anything extra, just the regular charge. Old faithful Samsung here. We had tornado warning earlier. One of the reasons I'm not outside. And we're charging here. There you have it. Clutch works fine on all of my devices. And after you're done, you just stick it back in its little protective hole here. The only wish list I have is probably the same wish list I heard Jay Will said he had. For the device that you of choice, you know, if this is lightning port, I want a lightning port charger versus a micro USB. And same for here. They aren't too thin. I guess they aren't really that thick either. But I have 2 cords. Me being who I am, I have this contraption that I typically have around. That's how I'll be charging these up. When I'm out and about, I'll use the cord that they put in the box. But if I'm at home, it'll go on this nice little nifty charger. I'm pulling up the website, give you some real-time prices. This says it's $50, but feel free to use code FAM20. get 20% off of this. They got the ones for the iPhone, and then just the Android USB Type-C. So if you have an older Android, you're not going to be able to use one of these. I'm going to wrap this up. I'd like to thank you for watching. Thanks for those who subscribe. I hope this can help some people out. It's something nice, small, very compact that you can keep on you. You can keep in a wallet, a pocket, instead of something big and bulky. And it's going to work out really well for my minimalist people who don't like carrying around a lot of things, don't like carrying purses, might be in a sporting event or something like that, and can just pop this in a pocket. Shout out to all my channel members. If you're interested in joining the channel, the link will be in the description. And I'll catch you on the next video.